Aye, this is the one we want to see. The Toughbuilt C700 sawhorse. This is the one we all know and love. These are the only sawhorses worth buying. Two of them together can support over a ton. Just look at that. They're well packaged, isn't it? Just look at that. The weight of these things. You know they're good when you can feel the weight of them. Get rid of that. Good beefy size. Nice weight. All metal. Even grip on top. Easily operated. Open out. Lock in the place. Look at that. Sweet. What we got? You got cutting supports on the top side. Throw a piece of timber on, support it as you're cutting it. Obviously, you got your leg adjustments. Pull them out. So you can adjust your height accordingly. Locks back into place. And on this side, down low, you have another timber support. As you want to use it, if you want to use it as like a job site table, pull out them brackets. You get these side rails. You can fit either 2x4 or a 4x4 timber into these slots. You can set a 2x4 on its side as well if you like. Now, and I see these things are quick and easy to adjust. I mean, seriously quick. You can lock, pull them out, lift it up, slides down. Simple as that. If you go too much, like we're putting it away again, or it pull away. Simple as that. So friggin' handy. You also have two on the top. So you're losing it as a sawhorse. You just want to cut a bit of timber, you can easily throw it up there. Work away. And you can just get yourself a sheet of ply. Look at that. Got yourself a big workbench. You have two 4x2s or two 4x4s straight across, and then an 8x4 sheet of ply straight on top. Perfect big massive workbench working on then on site. We have these in the shop also, and they are quite sought after. Everybody wants them. A wee bit more pricey, but build quality second to none. Anybody's used them, likes them, and wants more of them. While useful for on site, even just at home, wanting to work outside, setting up a bench outside, That's what I'm going to be doing here. And side there is just too small for working. Set it up out here. Got a big massive workbench. Throw a bunch of machines up on. Use a big massive workbench outside, even just for assembling. Even if I want to just assemble one of these big garden benches or tables, put the whole thing together up on top of this. This will hold it, no problem. And I can tell you them benches are a queer weight. Brilliant piece of kit. Easily fold them away, store them, pull them out when you need them. Take the weight, they can take the abuse. So versatile. Highly recommend these Toughbuilt workhorses. Very good piece of kit.